I'm a QC engineer and he is Mr. Sunil Kumar. He is a software developer. We both involved in this e-citizen grievance management system. Let me give a small introduction about what is e-citizen. E-citizen is an automated integrated management system for grievance management system which is integrated with mobile, internet, manual technologies for the communication and for launching the complaints. Here there is a small introduction about grievance management system. Grievance management system helps the government officials to provide effective and efficient services to the citizen by using modern communication technologies. And the second step is what the type of the grievance we are incorporated in this application. That is, first one is law and order, health, water, roads and buildings, sewages, and last one is irrigation. In this application there is a channel of access, how the application with workflow, that is by the 4 ports. That is, first one is SMS port integration, second is web portal, third is mobile integration, and fourth is IVR. In SMS integration means when the user lodges the complaints through the SMS services, and web portal means when the user wants to do with the web portal, just get into the login to the website and start launching the complaint. And the third is the mobile portal, which we make use of web apps, and the last one is through IVR. Here is the grievance flow. When the user launches the complaints through an SMS, the GMS process will take place. Then it will, if it is a law and order, it will go to the authorized person, that is Assistant Commissioner of Police. If the same user want to launch the complaint about the health, the GMS process will take place and it will go for the district health officers' respective positions. And the second step, if the user want to launch the complaints through website, it will same procedure will take place and it will go for the respective positions. And if the complaint is launched through the healthcare, all the GMS process will take place and it will go for Jilla Parishad executive health officers. This is the steps where the grievance workflow will take place. When the user will launch the complaint through a call or the SMS, as the complaints will get successfully submitted, there is one docket number will get issued, and that docket number will send to a corresponding person through an SMS or through an email ID. And the second step, here the type of grievance through the priority level and the escalation rules will all be defined here. And the GMS also maps the officer where the grievance type with their mobile number as well as the website. Here the main importance in the grievance workflow is the escalation period. If the user has launched the complaint which is not solved by the field manager, those complaints will be solved by the head of the officers. This process we call it as an escalation period. There are the 4 portals as I explained before you, that is the SMS, web portal, IVR and the mobile. First we will go through with the SMS portal. These are the steps included in this. First step will be the registering complaints through SMS. Second one, how to register the steps. Third one, acknowledgement, that is the docket number will be issued after the completion of that complaint. And the next we will see the status of the complaint when it will get solved. And the fifth one is escalation period. If it is that specific complaint it couldn't solve by the field manager, it will be hold by the higher officers and the complaint will get resolved in the final step. And second is web portal. In this web portal, same steps through the login into the websites. That is, the user want to register the complaints through website, citizens should log into the website, registering the complaint through online, issue the docket number, and if it is not solved by the field manager, again it will be solved by the higher authorities, and the same intimated complaints through SMS and email. This is the launch page where we will show the web thing. This is the start. When the user launches the complaint through login, open the browser, and this is the default browser URL. These are the fields we are included in the web page. That is by mobile number, email ID, ward, address, area, grievance type and user comments. And for example, we are given displayed here. As the complaint will get launched, the docket number will be displayed after the successful submission of this complaint. And in this we can see the status of the complaint by opening the browser, entering the docket number and viewing the status of the complaint when it gets solved. And this is the web page for the SMS portal. Here we start with sending the SMS, and the SMS what we are sent to launch the complaint should be in a specific format, like complaint registration, ward number, grievance type, address, area, city, and the comments. As the SMS will get submitted, the docket number will be issued to the concerned person through SMS or through email thing. And this is IVR. This also we can launch the complaint through IVR portal, through that is telephone, registering the complaints, and acknowledgement means issuing of the docket number and the status, escalation period, where it won't get solved by the field manager, that will get solved by the higher authorities, and the final thing, the user which we complained, it will get resolved. These are the 6 components we have involved in this website, that is grievance registration, second is routing, escalation period, system notification and alert, that is through SMS and through email, and fourth one is reporting. The reports can be generated as the user requirement, and the fifth one is greeting and messages. What is the benefit of using this grievance management system? Grievance management, it is very speedy resolutions, which the system, the user can launch the complaint anywhere, anytime, through 24/7, anytime, anywhere registrations, and it will increase the responsibilities. Where before, if they launch the complaint, it will take more time, but by using this GMS service, it will increase the responsiveness, the status enquiry and automated operations will also be authorized. And here we have included 3 demo cases in this website, that is launching the complaint through web, launching complaint through SMS, and launching complaint through SMS with an escalation period. This GMS services, what we are incorporated, our team has been enrolled in Tumkur Jilla Parishad Corporation and as well as Mysore Jilla Parishad Corporations. And this GMS services will give an indulged complaint launching to the user, and it will make very easy responsiveness for the users. And thank you.